world's largest hydraulic excavator. This machine can dig as far as 62.34 feet in and has a maximum dump height of 47.58 feet in. Even so, it maintains a stable maximum travel speed of 1.37 miles per hour. This is made possible through its engine that has a recorded net power of 4,500 horsepower. Loading shovel or 43-meter cubed backhoe bucket can accomplish a large portion of the work in no time. It even has a computer-aided engine pump control to monitor the maximum operating efficiency of the machine. The Hitachi EX8000 also takes efficiency and productivity to another level, as it is designed to work 24/7 while maintaining its durable and reliable status. Several easy maintenance systems are also present for a safe operation of the excavator. Even though the design of the EX8006 incorporates a durable rigid box design and solid cast track frame, as well as robust lower rollers, track links, and drive tumblers, replacements are kept straightforward to minimize maintenance time, hence giving more time for the actual work on the site. The Terex Corporation is known as a global manufacturer of lifting and material processing products and services, and they also have a representative on the parade of largest excavators. This is the Terex RH400. The 4 or T284 mining trucks to create a highly productive machine designed for large-scale mining operations. It also has other cool features, such as its quick hitch hydraulics. This removes the need to use hammers and manual drive out in inserting the mounting pins for attachment, thus allowing the rapid change of buckets and attachments on the machine. Next, we have the largest excavator in the Hitachi product line, the Hitachi EX8000. This machine takes pride in its exceptional levels of productivity. Taking twin Cummins diesel engines as its power provider, the 40-meter cubed R9800, with a bucket capacity of 47.5 meters cubed and a shovel capacity of 42 meters cubed. This excavator's cutting edge is in combining flexibility and productivity to meet every possible need. This is done through opening the option to choose between Cummins and Liebherr as their preferred diesel engine partner. Rest assured that its engine rating is at a satisfactory 2,984 kilowatts. Tackling both productivity and flexibility, the R9800 can also be paired with T264, T270 hydraulic excavator in Komatsu's product range with an engine power of 4,020 kilowatt horsepower. It also has a superb digging ability since its shovel capacity is 42 meters cubed with a backhoe capacity of 42 meters cubed, totally on par with the Power 240 to 400 US ton trucks. A new safety feature called the Calm Vision system was also integrated on this machine to increase operator awareness and reduce pit accidents. Innovators of the PC8000 also made sure to add a 45-degree stairway system so that the operator and the maintenance staff have comfortable and safe access to the machinery house level and cab level. Additionally, they also developed an intelligent data system called the ComTrax Plus upgrade that allows operators to monitor the Komatsu machine directly in the cabin, allowing proactive and preventive maintenance. Speaking of monitoring, the PC8000 also has a payload meter which identifies the bucket payload so the operator can load the truck more efficiently. In doing so, it reduces the truck loading time due to decreased required passes per truck and collects data for the mine manager to base their fleet planning on. 55 meters cubed and a total bucket payload of 103 tons. It is powered by 2X Cummins QSK60, enabling it to produce a net power of 4,500 horsepower. Since the top priority of this machine is safety, productivity, and serviceability, manufacturers have added in a few useful features. The CAT 6090FS has a unique drive system that maintains a balanced combination of power and efficiency together with its new twin-engine concept, allowing it to stay up and running more consistently. If your concern is within its power, it is integrated with the Trip Power system that results in the machine's superb digging capability and bucket fill factors. Even when the energy used is maintained efficiently by the closed-loop swing circuit, it has a relatively faster boom lift motion compared to others. All of its innovations and developments are brought by the CAT MineStar system and technology solutions for greater safety and productivity on site.